Welcome back, explorers. Today, we are diving deep into the secrets of one of the most iconic wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal. Was there supposed to be a black Taj Mahal? Did Shah Jahan really chop off the hands of the construction workers? And does the Taj Mahal get a spa treatment and a mudpack facial just like people do? Stick around because what you're about to discover will blow your mind. Imagine a monument so magnificent, it has captivated hearts for centuries. But behind its stunning facade lies a web of myths and secrets. We're about to debunk these myths and reveal the jaw-dropping truths about this marble masterpiece. Make sure to watch till the end for a special reveal that will change the way you see this wonder forever. The Taj Mahal, located in Agra, India, is renowned for its breathtaking beauty and romantic origin. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, this wonder has fascinated visitors for centuries. But along with its grandeur comes several myths. Let's bust some of the biggest ones. First up, the legend of the Black Taj Mahal. According to this myth, Shah Jahan planned to build a mirror image of the Taj Mahal in black marble across the Yamuna River. However, his son Aurangzeb overthrew him before he could start construction. While this story adds to the Taj's mystique, there's no archaeological evidence to support it. Historians believe it to be a romanticized tale rather than a fact. Next, we tackle the gruesome myth that Shah Jahan ordered the hands of the artisans who built the Taj Mahal to be chopped off to ensure that no other monument could rival its beauty. This story is widely circulated, but it's just that, a story. There is no historical evidence to support this claim, and it has been debunked by numerous historians and researchers. Here's a beautiful fact that's often mistaken for a myth: the Taj Mahal changes colors throughout the day. In the morning, it glows a pinkish hue, by noon it's sparkling white, and under the moonlight, it appears golden. This magical transformation is due to the reflective quality of the marble and the changing light conditions. Many don't know that the Taj Mahal has several rooms and passages that remain sealed to this day. Some believe they were meant for maintenance purposes, while others speculate they might contain hidden treasures or secrets. The true purpose of these sealed chambers remains a mystery, adding another layer to the Taj's allure. Did you know that the minarets of the Taj Mahal are slightly tilted outwards? This architectural feature was designed to protect the tomb of Mumtaz Mahal in case of an earthquake. If the minarets were to collapse, they would fall away from the main structure, ensuring the tomb's safety. To maintain its pristine white facade, the Taj Mahal undergoes a unique cleaning treatment using a special mud pack. This traditional recipe, similar to those used by Indian women for facial treatments, helps restore the natural glow and color of the marble by removing pollution-induced stains. So there you have it, some of the most fascinating myths and the truths behind them about the Taj Mahal. This architectural wonder is not just a symbol of love but also a treasure trove of mysteries and marvels. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more interesting facts from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.